Hi guys, it's Avas from 20 Startups. Today I'm going to show you how to add Google Translate extension in Chrome. So guys, here I'm going to show you the very easy process to add Google Translate extension. So let's get started. So guys, to add Google Translate extension in Chrome, you have to simply open your Google Chrome. Now after that you can see three dots at the top right corner of the page. So simply click on it. Now in this option you can see the option of settings. So click on settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here you can see the option of extensions. So simply click on extensions. Here you can see this is our extensions. So to add that extension, simply you can see the option of main menu. So simply click on it. Now in this option you can see the option of open Chrome Web Store. So click on it and type in search bar Google Translate. Simply press enter. So guys, simply click on first extension. So this is the extension that we want to add, Google Translate. So simply click on it and here you can see the option of add to Chrome. So click on add to Chrome. Now click on add extension. So guys, here you can see written Google Translate has been added to Chrome. So now again go back to extensions. So guys, here you can see now Google Translate is added in our extensions. So guys, here you can see we have Google Translate extension in Chrome. So you can also add Google Translate extension in Chrome by following this process that I have shown you step by step. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.